Hello guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, like the video, subscribe the channel and watch the last videos also, link in the description given. In today video we discuss about the CNC programming, how to we write the CNC program in the any CNC software. In this video I use the CNC train software for this programming. Everyone knows CNC is the computer numerical control machine, which is nowadays so much useful for the every component and every company. Here today we doing in this video is turning machine operations. This reason I showing this is the CNC turning machine. In this I show the all parts here in the machine. What is the part having all description is given here, and this machine is having the some glasses cover and all things is I showing. This is the machine original photo which is I shown here. This is the normally having heavy weighter, but it is nice. For this machine programming we need two codes. One code is having G code and one code is the M code. This G code used for the tooling operations only, means what is the tool movement having, all it is controlled by the G code, and M code control the machine movement, fully machine what is the movement. Here I showing some G codes. In this four, firstly I showing in red color, it is the important for the rapid movement. G01 is the linear movement, G00 rapid movement, G02 circular interaction clockwise, circular interaction counterclockwise, G03, like different types of the G code here shown. In next slide also I shown some more G codes. This all is the G code we use in the CNC programming. For this program, in this I use only first four G codes, which is I shown in the red color. Then we go for the M code. M code is there is miscellaneous code, which is I say already it is useful for machine. Here also some we use. Here we use M03 for the spindle forward, M04 for the spindle in reverse direction in counterclockwise, then spindle stop M05, and tool change we use M06. Like different types of the M codes we use for the CNC different program. But in turning program I use only this much what I show in the red color. M30 I use for the stop or restart for the program, and M08 and M09 also I use for cooling start and cooling off. Here today we start the facing operation. In this facing operation we need the turning machine. See, question like this type given, we have billet. This billet size is 30 into 100 mm, means diameter 30, length is 100. We want to do facing operation and reduce 10 mm. First facing, before facing and after facing I show here diagram, like 10 mm we want to reduce. For this I write in the CNC machine, this program I write fully. This reason this CNC program I write, then machine operating and it is doing the all program finish automatically. You see this code I write in the software. How? Please watch the video. When we start this software, it is directly start in the milling operation, but we need here for the turning operation. Then you go for control type. Here do we select Fanuc O turning. Fanuc is the CNC program language. Then we got this is the workpiece. In this workpiece, firstly we want to go for the tool offset. Here do we want to select the tool, which type of the tool we need. Here we select left hand tool and we want to set the position T01 and T03 and put OK. Anything tool position you set, it is depend on you. Then here to go for billet setting. Billet setting means we set here dimension of the workpiece, means here billet length I give 100 and diameter give 30 and put OK. Then after, see here, this is the what is my cursor, this is our origin point for this workpiece. Because of the it is the roundly element, means round we see means it is the center point. This is, then here to you go in the up direction, means it is the positive x-axis, means in vertical direction diameter is having x-axis, and the horizontal direction we have z-axis. In this left hand side we have negative z-axis and right hand side we have positive z-axis, means in this origin point to this side negative and this side positive, left and right side. In this portion we call the program writing portion. Then we start here writing the program. Firstly in this we want to write the hashtag in this program. Then we write the billet we write for the what type of the workpiece material we select, this region we write billet. Then here we want to write firstly dimension, means what is the dimension. X-axis diameter we give 30 and Z length we give 100, means we write 100. Then after in this program, firstly we want to select the tool change, we use the miscellaneous code M06, and tool position we already fixed T01 I give. And then after here we need to the spindle we want to bring, means tool we want to bring here nearby this workpiece we bring, means we give the miscellaneous code M03 for the spindle movement, and speed also we give 500. Then in this program I start M08 to coolant also, because when it is the cutting, it is produce heat inside the machine, heat to it is get some damage, this reason we start coolant also. Then after here we start use G code G00, which is the rapid movement, means firstly tool in the home position, when it is come here we want to bring here nearby, then we use G00 for rapid movement. And see here, it is the important thing, normally we bring here the diameter we have 30, then we bring tool up to 31, 1 mm we give distance, and the z axis also same thing, 1 mm we give distance and we put here, because it is not getting any type of the damage in the workpiece. Then x we give up to 31 and z we give up to 01, because in the positive direction for the z axis. Then in this program we give here, we need facing operation. Facing means 10 mm we want to cut, within one time you cut 10 mm, means it is damage getting some in the tool also and some machine also, and some stress more having in the machine. This reason we split this cutting in the small stroke, and we give here 10 mm we cut, means per stroke I give 2 mm cut. This reason I use here G00 in z direction. In this C origin to this direction we go cutting, means it is in negative direction, means I give z minus 0 2. When you cutting complete, in this x we not change anything, where we use G01, it is the G code for the linear movement with feed rate, means how much feed also. In x axis we not cut anything, means we give x00, feed rate I give here 50. Then after in the y direction, z direction I want to cut, put when cutting complete we want to back send in this tool to Z01, because up to 1 mm we want to distance and we want to stop their program. Then we go for the G00 rapid movement. In x also, x we have up to 31 and up to there we bring. Then check the program, it is your writing is right or not, you check the cycle start. When you cycle started, see tool come, it is the cut first stroke and going stop there, x31, see here up to 1 mm up and 1 mm distance also. Then after this type it is the first stroke complete. This type we want to write the minimum 5 stroke for the 10 mm cutting, then I write here. See here I write program in 5 times, like Z0 first cut stroke is minus 2, second minus 4, third minus 6, fourth minus 8, and fifth is minus 10. Is 5 program is same, this reason I write 5 times. Then after we want to send this tool to original home position, this reason we use here G code G28 for the original home condition 0 and W0. Then here we want to stop the spindle also, then we use miscellaneous code M05. We want to stop coolant also, M09 miscellaneous code. And here we also use the program fully stop, means M30 miscellaneous code for program fully stop. Here this is the red line, it is show the clear billet, means it is the giving fully billet written. Then you go for the cycle start, when you go cycle start, it is going original home position, come back, first stroke complete, second stroke complete, third stroke complete, fourth, and like this type it is the 5 stroke completed and it is going the original home position. Thank you for the watching video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, share and support. Anything you have suggestion or feedback, please give in the comment section. Thank you.